Hey everyone, we're at the warehouse. Look at this fresh F and G and EK spin. We're with the Kraken who just pulled a super out of here.
Yeah, I came here about 10 minutes ago, got a super.
Mazda Repu.
Mazda Repu super, it's beautiful, be doing a video on that.
There's 5 cases up there which I'm going to be opening. Because Tim got a super, I'm going to look for supers in them and then Tim can look through them later. But let's look through the dump bin a bit. But there's a good chance there's more.
So we got a trolley and dumped it all out.
All of it?
All the new stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I've got that one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this, need that. That's awesome. Well,
yeah.
Let's get the cases down, guys. Alright guys, we've got E cases, a G case and an F case. Gonna check through them right now. Alright, E case. This one is regular DeLorean, and there's regular, oh there's another one, it's a regular as well. Alright, I'll check the other sides in a sec. There's a T2 pickup, it's a regular. Alright, time for another E case. Alright, second E case. There's a regular right there. Ooh, there's supposed to be 2, right?
On the other side.
Alright, that's to look through in a bit. G case, I'm excited for this one. This has 2 layers of tape, so I'm not sure about this one. Alright, where's that Mustang there? Regular.
You can't?
Oh yes. Boom.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Got that. Oh, it's got the wheels.
Oh, the black walls!
Cool.
Oh, lucky.
Be picking that up. So black walls, thanks DCTV for that heads up. Wouldn't have looked for it otherwise. Boom.
That's strange. Where's the other one? It's got to be in the base.
Yeah, it'll be in the bottom.
Yeah.
If it is in here at all.
Regular.
Alright, 2 more cases, an E and an F. Let's check. Alright, this is another E case, so it's gonna be the DeLorean, if anything. Another regular. 2 of those datos. Of course, this is a regular.
Pretty dry so far. What's this?
It's just muscle down. Alright, last one. The F case. Alright. The F case. Yeah, it's regular. Right there.
Why isn't there a second? Is this the black wall? Nope.
So yeah, cool. Gotta check the bottoms now. Okay, bottom of 1. D case. There's another Nissan 300ZX. I might grab another. Yeah. Nothing of interest in the bottom of this one. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, another E case. See if I can get another T2. Scanning. Nothing. Regular wheels. Alright, the bottom of an F case this time. It's got that. Another one of those. Oh, is this?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one, yeah. But, oh, there's the treasure hunt there. On V. Okay, this is the bottom of an E case. Regular wheel variation.
Oh, there's another one.
Regular wheel variation. What are we looking for? This is an E, so we're looking for the T2 pickup.
Yeah. Or Toby.
Or whatever.
If you want
Yeah.
that.
Another Volkswagen.
Oh, do you have one?
No.
Oh, okay. I really want one of those Japan Historics 1 remakes.
Alright. So there's nothing in the bottom of this one. Time for the G case. Alright, there's 2 Repus, and they're both rigs. In the bottom of this case.
Oh, there's the regular treasure hunt.
Yeah, this Corvette. Alright, that's all. There's some cool Porsches there. No supers, but the Kraken did get a nice score.
Yeah.
that Super, which is sadly going to be opening up for some
I
reason.
might trade it with you if you find the E-case Super.
So, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And don't forget to check out the Kraken's channel. He bought all these cars here and this beauty. So make sure you visit his channel and see his video on this Super. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.